Hey everyone, today is August 4th, 2025. We're going to do a portfolio update today. I'm going to compare how my regular investing portfolio is doing and compare it with my couple of retirement account portfolios. And we're going to see what percentage they've gained this year. And it's also going to be telling of how and if dividends work. Okay, so here's the main portfolio. I'm investing about 20 grand in it. And let's see how we're doing year to date. All right, so 2025, we are up 3.45%. So almost 3.5% for the year 2025. Now, before I compare it to my retirement accounts, remember this portfolio includes cryptocurrency, buying and selling of stocks, buying and selling of options contracts, and everything like that. So it's up a little bit for 2025. And let's look at the retirement accounts, starting with the traditional IRA. And we're going to compare the same time period, year to date. Wow, it's done a lot better. Almost 17% for the year 2025. And this is a good experiment to compare with those dividends because I have not contributed anything to this account this year in 2025. So all the gains you see right there are purely from how the underlying stocks have been doing in ETFs, and there's no option play on this. It's purely how the underlying stocks have been doing, and also with any stocks that have dividends, which they are in this account, they have been paying out but immediately reinvested using the DRIP method, DRIP. So I have DRIP turned on for all of these stocks and ETFs if they pay dividends. And so it automatically rebuys those same stocks. So the next round they pay out dividends, it's going to be a little bit more because I own more of that same stock. And so 70% beats 3.5% way out of the water. So really, I mean, maybe I should have just had these stocks and held on to them in my individual account. Maybe it would have been better. But that individual account, remember, does include, why it didn't perform as well as this one is because I had some options that turned out to be a bad deal at the end. And I also sold some losing stocks off. So that's why it's lower. But we can look at how, what this account contains, the stocks and ETFs. This is set to total percent change. Now that's not for this year. This is like total ever since I got into these stocks. And you can pause the video if you like to see what stocks ticker symbols I have in here and how they're performing. So just scroll down and you can pause whenever you like. And a lot of these pay out dividends. Okay. Now let's see how that other account is doing. So it's traditional IRA, Roth IRA, year to date, 16%. And the underlying stocks here are very similar to what I have in my other account. We'll just scroll down and see what's in here. And this is set to last price. I'm going to do the same thing, total percent change. Okay, scroll down here. And so these retirement accounts, I bought these stocks It's a buy and hold strategy. I haven't sold any of these this year in 2025. So again, all those percentage gains is just buying and holding and letting those dividends pay out and immediately reinvest into those same underlying stocks. So overall, I would say that dividends do work, and this is an easy, lazy strategy. If you want to do this, just buy and hold. Remember, you can't gain any advantage from the stock market if you never invest, and you can start investing in Robinhood, and there's lots of other apps out there too for as little as $1. You can click on my link in the description to sign up, and you might even get some free stock out of it if they have that deal going on. So yeah, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, if you will. Consider subscribing, and that'll help this channel out. Thanks so much for watching.